right? So if you have this done appropriately and you set up your pipelines appropriately, that will then allow for you to have much more information to then make those executive decisions on what is actually bringing in money right now versus what isn't, right? So for me, I'm a complete visual guy. I need to see my pipeline. I need to see where they're at. I am like Mr. Whiteboard at home. I have my whiteboard right there. I write down all my stuff. I drag and drop, I do everything else. So for me, the opportunity section is one of the most important sections inside of the platform because then I can make those executive decisions on where do I need to spend more of my time and attention, right? So do I need to go to this networking group? I've gotten referrals from it, but nothing's closed yet. Am I going to the right caravan? Like that sort of stuff, right? So if you're thinking of opportunities and tracking, we need to have more info and data to be able to make these decisions, right? Sometimes being busy isn't what is needed to close deals, right? We think that we're busy because we're doing all these different things, but where's our payoff? Where's all this other kind of stuff? So utilize this, guys. In addition to that, you will see that there's a bunch of different stuff right here on the fields. So let's just say I wanted to customize this card. I can say like, hey, what's the interest rate? How much were they approved for, as long as they're built into the actual system itself. Okay, so they have to be opportunity fields built into the system. And then you could be like, I don't care about business name or the loss reason, but I do want to know who the buyer's agent is, and I do want to know, basically what rate they are, or like so you can filter your view on what you see as well, right? So just a quick heads up. So Christy, thank you for the $1.5 million referral, right? And then you can go
My
ahead and
pleasure.
customize that as well, right? Um, One other thing real quick for the pipelines, okay? We have different statuses, and sometimes people are like, I moved it to one and I can't find it anymore. Okay. So if I'm like, oh, I moved this one to one, that's a one deal. And then all of a sudden it's gone. I can't find it. I'm like, where the heck did this opportunity go? The system defaults to only showing you the open opportunities, right? So if I go to my dashboard right here, I can see, hey, this was a one deal, right? This isn't an open deal anymore. This is one, but I don't see it anymore. So the way that you can see it is if you go into your advanced filters here and then clear it, I now see all of my opportunities and there's the deal that I won, right? So again, extremely important with reporting, with dashboards, with your pipeline that you learn like and I have